Step 1. Power up the controller. Always use good quality power supply and supply voltage must be as per rated voltage. First, connect ground wire, then data, followed by positive power wire. If the connection and supply voltage is correct, the status LED on the controller will blink every 1 second interval. Now go to the next step. Step 2. Hotspot setting. Open your Wi-Fi hotspot setting. The default SSID is etc Wi-Fi. All characters are in capital, and the hotspot password is 1234567889. After fill up, save this setting, and turn the hotspot on. After few seconds the controller should connect to your hotspot. You should change the default settings in your Pixel controller. Always make sure the controller settings must be the same as your phone hotspot settings. Step 3. IP address scanning. If you already know the IP address of your Pixel controller, you may skip this step. You need an IP address scanning tool to scan IP addresses connected to your hotspot. We have used Auto IP Scanner in this video. You may use any similar app. Search in your app store and install. Then open the app and start the scan process. It may take a few minutes. Note down the IP address numbers. Then go to the next step. Step 4. Login. Open Google Chrome or any other browser. Use the IP address in the address bar and hit enter. Enter the login ID and password, then click go. On successful login, you should get the home page of the controller. Now you are ready to make changes on your Pixel controller, as per your needs. Please comment below if you have any doubt. Good luck and happy pixeling.